Symphytum is first aid homeopathic medicine. It helps in healing broken bones. Because Symphytum is homeopathic remedy knit bones completely. Symphytum works for the bones and the bones joint. We can use this remedy when there is a pain between the joints. That part hurts due to injury. This homeopathic medicine helps a lot for the patient who got operation recently no having the pains in the joints. When any bone from the body breaks and it is not getting recovered completely. The bone joints are not getting repaired completely. Then this medicine helps them to join. Symphytum Officinale also works best in following conditions. Weak bones suffered patient, then this medicine heals the pain. When the eye gets hurt heavily, then this medicine helps a lot. If there is in any part of the body, only this homeopathic medicine heal the pain. There is no other remedy in the world that can benefit the patient in such a situation. Symphytum Officinale 200 potency dose for bone knitting works best. But normally you can use Symphytum 30 as 8 to 10 drops thrice a day.